Hari Om. Today we are going to learn pre-number concepts. The concept is pre-number concepts. Before going to know the numbers, we learn about different variations of shapes, sizes and positions. Let us learn how to classify objects based on their sizes. Would you like to know the difference between big and small? What do you see on the screen at present? You see two animals. One is an elephant, another one is a rabbit. Do you know what is the big animal? Yes, an elephant is big animal, rabbit is small animal. Let us see one more example, children. Look at the pictures. Here we have two balls. One is football, another one is cricket ball. Tell me, children, which one is big in size? Football is big in size, cricket ball is small in size. Let us see one more example, children. Can you guess which is the small vegetable? What is this? This is pumpkin. What is this? This is tomato. Among two these, which one is small vegetable? Is this pumpkin is small vegetable? No, pumpkin is big vegetable. Big in size. Tomato is small in size. So, tomato is small vegetable. We have two images. Among two images, which one is big in size? See, children, one is teapot, another one is teacup. Compare two images. Teacup is small in size, teapot is big in size. Do you understand what is big? Do you understand, children, what is big, what is small? Depend upon their sizes. Depend upon their sizes. Let us do this exercise, children. Tick the one which is small. What is this? This is fish. What is this? This is dolphin. Tick the one which is small. Fish is small in size. Dolphin is big in size. Tick it. Let us compare objects using their lengths. See, here two paintbrushes are there. Look at these paintbrushes. This paintbrush is long in size. This paintbrush is short in size. Depend upon their lengths. One is long in size, another one is short in size. Now let us learn how to compare objects based on their quantities. Objects less, more. When we have two objects of different quantities, one is more in quantity and another one is less. See, children, look at these boxes of sweets. This box has more sweets and this box has less sweets. Among two depend upon quantities. This box has more sweets. This box has less sweets. More, less. Let us see one more examples. Here two plates are there. One plate, white plate. Another plate is yellow plate. The cookies in white plate are more, while the cookies in yellow plate are less. Here one plate more quantity cookies are there. Another plate less quantity cookies are there. Depend upon quantity. Here, do you understand? One plate more cookies. Another plate has less cookies. Today we learned big, small, long, short and less, more. Tomorrow we have to learn numbers. Okay? Thank you.